Dear students, I am attending question number 5 from exercise 13.2 of NCERT 9th standard. So I am giving a solution of question number 5. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter. So you convert centimeter into meter. 50 upon 100, 0.5 meter. So therefore radius equal to diameter upon 2. It means 0.5 upon 2, 0.25 meter, and 3.5 meter in height. H equal to 3.5 meter. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar. Therefore, CSA, curved surface area of pillar, equal to 2 pi RH, equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.25 into 3.5. 7 5 is 35, equal to 5 2 is 10 into 22 into 0.25. It means 22 5 is 110, carry 11, 22 44, 55, 5.5 meter square. But in this question we have to find out the cost of painting the cut surface area of the pillar at the rate of 12.5 meter square. So therefore cost of painting the pillar equal to 5.5 into 12.5, 0, equal to 12.5, 5.5, 5 5 is 25, carry over 2, 5 is 10, 2 carry 1, 5 1 6, 5 2 6, 5 7 6 to 8 6, 1 2. The cost of painting the pillar equal to rupees 68.75. Answer is over. So this solution noted down on the notebook, and I am giving a few seconds to you. Now I am attending question number 6 from exercise 13.2 of 9th standard. So I am giving a solution. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is CSA of cylinder equal to 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is radius equal to 0.7 meter, find its height. H equal to question mark. So now curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH, 4.4 equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into R 0.7 into H. 7 7 cancel out, 0.1, 22 2 is 44, 0.2, 2 से 2 cancel, 0.1, 0.1 से 0.1 cancel. Therefore R. Therefore, H equal to 1 meter. Answer is over. Now, I am attending question number 7 from exercise 13.2. So, I am drawing a figure well in the shape of a cylinder. The inner diameter of a circular well it is in the shape of a well. So its inner diameter 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. So first question I am giving a solution. First part, the inner curved surface area. So inner diameter equal to 3.5 meter. So radius equal to diameter upon 2, 3.5 upon 2, 1.75 meter, and h equal to 10 meter. But in this question we have to find out the inner curved surface area. So curved surface area, inner curved surface area of well equal to 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r 1.75 into 10 equal to 7 2 ja 14, 7 5 ja 35, 44 into 2.5 equal to meter square. That is the first answer. Second answer, the cost of a plastering the curved surface area at the rate of 40 rupees per meter square. Therefore, cost of plastering the well equal to 110 into 40 equal to rupees 4400 rupees. So that is the answer. Now I am attending question number 8 from exercise 13.2 of 9th standard. So I am giving a solution. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of a length 28 meter. It means height equal to 28 meter and the diameter 5 centimeter. Diameter 5 centimeter. Now you convert centimeter into meter. It means 5 upon 100 meter. Therefore 0.05 meter. Now radius equal to diameter upon 2. Therefore 0.05 upon 2, it means 0.0025 meter. But in this question, find out the total radiating surface. Therefore total radiating surface equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. It means 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.025 into H 28. Now 7 4 28 equal to 44. 22 44 into 0.025 into 4 equal to 44 into 25 4 100. 100, so 0 point this equal to 4.4 meter square. So that is the answer. Note it down on the notebook. I will attend next question. Now I am taking question 9 of exercise 13.2 NCERT 9th standard. So in this question, find the lateral and curved surface area of a closed cylindrical pattern storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. So I am giving a solution that now diameter 4.2 meters. So we have to calculate the radius diameter upon 2, 4.2 upon 2, 2.1 meter, and height equal to 4.5 meter. So in this question we have to find out the curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.1 into 4.5 equal to 7 3 21, 44 into 0.3 into 4.5, 44 4.5, 5 4 20 carry 2, 5 4 20 22, 4 4 16 carry 1, 4 4 16 1 17, 0 8 9 1 198, that is the multiply, and multiply 0.3 equal to 3 8 24 carry over 2, 3 9 27, 27 over 2 29 carry over 2, 3 1 2 2 of 5, 59.4 meter square. So you note it down on a notebook, and I am giving a few seconds to you. After that, this is the first part of the question number 9. After that, I will solve second part. Second part. How much steel was actually used if 1 upon 12 of the steel actually used was wasted? Let the total steel used area equal to x meter square, and wasted area, wasted steel area equal to 1 upon 12 of 1 upon 12x. Therefore, used steel area for making cylindrical petrol storage tank equal to x minus 1 upon 12x meter square equal to 11 upon 12x meter square. So according 12x equal to 59.4. Therefore, x equal to 59.4 into 12 upon 11. 11 5 are 55, 11 4 are 54. Equal to 12 4 are 48. Now TSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h plus r equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r 2.1 into h 28 h 4.5 plus 2.1 equal to 7 3 is 21. 44 into 0.3 into 6.6. Now four 6 is 24, carry over 2 4 is 24, 24 over 2 26, 24 carry over 2 4 is 24 26, 4 10 9 2, 29.04 into 3 87.12 equal to 87.2 meter square. According to question 11 upon 12x 87.12. So x equal to 12 upon 11 into 87.12. 11 7 is 77. 11 9 is 99. 11 2 is 22. Equal to 12 2 is 24. Carry over 2. 12 9 is 108. 2 1 0 10. Carry over 11. 84 84 95.04 meters. That is the answer. Okay. So I will complete this exercise. That is next questions attend in the next class.